Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the beautiful white PS3 controller, also called the DualShock 3 Classic White. Why do we review a PS3 controller today? Because many people still love the PS3. Also, many gamers use this controller to play games on a PC or laptop. My first impression when I saw this white color is wow, it looks so beautiful and clean. It looks much better than the standard black controller. Let's talk about the design. The shape is standard. It is the classic PlayStation shape that we all know. But this white color is special. It looks very modern and neat. The colorful button segitiga OX kotak square look very nice against the white plastic. But there is one problem with white control. It gets dirty early. Uh, the problem, dirt from your hands, sweat, and dust will so quickly. If you play for a long time, the back of the controller can look yellow or green. And the solution, you must clean it often. Use a wet tissue or a little alcohol to wipe it after you play. If you are a lazy person, maybe black is better for you. But if you want a beautiful gaming setup, white is the best. Now let's talk about the quality. This is an original Sony controller. It feels good in my hands. It is not too heavy and not too light. Be careful when you buy one piece because there are many fake or KW controller in the market. Here is how to know the difference. The analog stick. On the original controller, the analog is very smooth and precise. On a fake controller, it feels stiff and hard to aim. L2 and R2 button. These are triggers on the original. If you press gently, you go slow. If you press hard, you go fast. Fake controller act like a simple on-off switch. And 3/6 feature. This is the motion sensor. You can check the controller to control some games. Fake controller user do not have this. Okay, let's test this controller with some games. Game 1 is game. The R2 button works perfectly. I can control the speed of my car easily around the corners. And number 2 action game like God of War. The buttons are very responsive. They are soft and not hard to press. My thumbs do not feel tired. And game 3, a shooting game like Call of Duty. Aiming at enemies is very easy because the analog sticks are very accurate, no delay at all. Okay, in conclusion, is the white PS3 controller still good to buy? First, the design is beautiful and looks great on your desk. It is very comfortable to hold for many hours. It works on PS3, PC, and even laptops. Cons things. It gets dirty easily and can turn yellow. It is hard to find a 100 originally Sony controller now. If you like nice looking things or if you are a collector, you should buy this classic white controller. The price is also quite cheap now. What do you think? Do you prefer the white color or the black color? Please tell me in the comments below. Now Let me give you some extra tips. Many people ask, how do you connect this PS3 controller to PC or laptop? It is actually very easy, but you need one item. You need mini USB cable. Okay. Reminder: it is mini USB, not micro USB. It is the old thick cable. First, plug in the cable into your PC. Second, plug in the other end into the controller, and Windows will detect the controller, but you might need a small software like Toolkit or DSB Hide Mini to make it work perfectly with Steam game. When it is connected, the right light on the top will flash. This means the controller is charging and ready to use. Okay. Let's talk about maintenance. Like I said before, this white color is a dirt magnet. Here is how I clean it every week. Step 1. Use microfiber cloth or wet wipe. Step 2. Wipe the analog stick and the back grips very gently. This is where the sweat from your hands stays. Step 3. Use a toothpick to clean the small gaps between the plastic body. Dust loves to hide into small line. If you do this simple cleaning routine, your white controller will always look brand new, shiny, and beautiful on your desk. Let's talk about the battery inside this controller. The original Sony PS3 controller uses a built-in rechargeable battery. It is a 3.7 V lithium ion battery. In my test, because this is an original controller, the battery life is actually very good. How long can you play? You can play games for about 10 to 12 maybe hours on a single full charge. That is a very long time. You can play all day without any problems. How to charge it? You just connect the mini USB, cable PS3, console, or a PC. The important rule: do not charge this controller using a fast charger from your smartphone. The fast charger has too much power, and it can break the battery inside this controller. Always charge it using a low power USB port, like on your PC, laptop, or the PS3 console itself. When it is starting, the 4 red light on the front will blink slowly. When the battery 100% full, the light will stop blinking and stay on. It takes about 2 hours to charge from 0% to 100%. Additional Now let's look closer at the buttons and the vibration motors. This controller is called DualShock 3 for a reason. DualShock means it has two vibration motors inside, one on the left side and one on the right side. The left motor, this motor is large and heavier. It creates strong vibration, like when an explosion happens in a war game or when your car crashes into a wall. The right motor, this motor is smaller. It creates light and fast vibration, like when you drive on a bumpy road or when when your character is running. When you play action games, these two motors work together. It feels very realistic in your hand. Let's talk a little bit about the history of this controller. When the PlayStation 3 first came out in 2006, Sony only gave use the piano black color. Everyone had the black controller. A few years later, Sony released the classic white version. It was not as common as the black one in many countries. You could only get the white controller if you bought the special white PS3 console bundle. That is why today finding a white PS3 controller in perfect condition is quite difficult. Many collectors love this color because it looks very clean in the gaming world. White setups are very popular right now. People like white keyboard, white mice, and white monitors, so this controller fits perfectly with a modern gaming setup. Even though this technology is around 20 years old, the design does not look old at all. It still looks fresh, stylish, and very cool on your disc. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.